Hare Krishna. I just want to read one verse, or maybe two. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Bhagavad Gita as it is. By His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. So this is chapter 2. Contents of the Gita summarized. And Krishna is speaking to Arjuna about the nature of the soul. It says, text 25. Avyaktoyam achinchoyam avikaryoyam uchate tasmadevam viditvainam nanusochitamarhasi. So Krishna says, it is said that the soul is invisible, inconceivable, immutable, and unchangeable. Knowing this, you should not grieve for the body. Prabhupada's purport. As described previously, the magnitude of the soul is so small for our material calculation that it cannot be seen even by the most powerful microscope. Therefore, he's invisible. As far as the soul's existence is concerned, no one can establish his existence experimentally beyond the proof of śruti, or Vedic wisdom. We have to accept this truth because there is no other source of understanding the existence of the soul, although it is a fact by perception. There are many things we have to accept solely on grounds of superior authority. No one can deny the existence of his father based upon the authority of his mother. There is no other source of understanding the identity of the father except by the authority of the mother. Similarly, there is no other source of understanding the soul except by studying the Vedas. And that might get challenged by some, that no other source of understanding who the father is, because now they do like DNA testing. But still, it really is the mother, because are they going to test to find out who the father is of a particular child? Are they going to test like every man in the whole planet? No. The mother can identify the father and then it can be confirmed. It just adds confirmation. Ultimately, it is the mother. Because of all the men on the whole planet, the woman, the mother, can point out this is the father. And then if they have to prove it, because for one reason or another, then they can do their DNA testing, and yes, this is the father. Similarly, so it is the mother. In other words, the soul is inconceivable by human experimental knowledge. The soul is consciousness and conscious. That also is the statement of the Vedas, and we have to accept that. Unlike the bodily changes, there's no change in the soul. As eternally unchangeable, the soul remains atomic in comparison to the infinite Supreme Soul. The Supreme Soul is infinite. The atomic soul is infinitesimal. Therefore, the infinitesimal soul, being unchangeable, can never become equal to the infinite soul, or the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That's interesting. The minute soul can never become the God, because the quality of the small soul is that he's unchangeable. This concept is repeated in the Vedas in different ways, just to confirm the stability of the conception of the soul, the individual soul. Repetition of something is necessary in order that we understand the matter thoroughly without error. Hare Krishna. All right. Back to chanting. Hare Krishna.